OMG.
Ano nangyari sa'yo, babae?
May manliligaw na ako. Slay.
Kavog ang bestie ko.
Kaso, wait.
Dalaga ka na talaga.
Tama ba to?
OMG! Ano yan?
Ay, naguguluhan ako.
Saan ka naguguluhan, bes?
Ate, crush ko kasi si Kulit. Like, she's so gorgeous. Ang ganda niya. I swear.
Teka, si pretty girl ba to ng section B?
Yes.
OMG!
Diba?
Same. Pero,
She's so pretty and talented.
crush lang naman, di ba?
Oo.
Like, paghanga lang or attracted ka sa kanya. Like, gusto mo jowain?
Hindi naman.
Ah, okay. Gets. Confused ka.
Unti lang.
Alam mo, bes, sa tagal nating magkaibigan, sa landi natin pareho, sa pag-rate pa lang sa mga dumadaang lalaki sa harap natin araw-araw sa kantin, mako-confuse ka pa niyan?
Tama. 100/10 agad kapag matangkad.
Kulang na nga lang tamaan tayo ng kidlat sa kuryenteng dulot ng kilig sa mga yun. Pero seryoso lang, wala naman masama kung magkakakrush naman sa same sex natin. Normal lang naman kasi magandahan tayo kasi appreciative tayo sa kagandahan ng iba. Like, nai-inspire at namomotivate tayo para maging better tayo, ganon.
May point ka dyan.
Pero alam mo, kung ako sa'yo, wag mo muna sagutin manliligaw mo.
And wala rin naman akong balak ligawan siya or mag-first move kay Colette.
Kilitasin mo muna. Kasi kung sakali, first boyfriend mo yan. Huwag tayo marupok, beshi ah.
I know, right?
So, okay ka na ba? Pwede naman natin pag-usapan to bukas.
Yes.
Habang nag-rate tayo ng mga boys.
Bet. Gooch na yan.
Okay, beshi. I love you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Love you. See you, Tom. Alam niyo ba na ang heterosexual was coined in a letter written by Austro-Hungarian journalist na si Carl Maria Kent Benny para sa German legal eagle and proto-gay rights crusader na si Karl Ulrich. The word hetero means different or other, so basically, heterosexual people are sexually and romantically attracted sa opposite sex nila.
Hi!
Hello.
Alam mo na ba?
What's that tea, sis?
The new girl has a crush on you daw.
Who, the transferee? I'm not attracted sa girls. Boys ang gusto ko, he.
Yes daw. Huh?
If
I
you
thought
crush ko
you're
sa
so
kabilang
attracted
section
to
na kaya, may
girls.
chance pa magkakami. Ha, just kidding.
Are you sure?
No, sis. Mali lang kumilos at kumalo, but sige lang ako na-attracted. Dati nung high school, pwede pa kasi bisexual ako na. Pero ngayon, hindi na ako attracted sa girls. Like, never na ako nagka-crush sa girls.
Are you 100% sure or are you just confused? Because you act like a guy all the time. Your voice is just a little soft but you told me you were attracted.
Oh, I said that time nagaganda lang ako. As a gay person, na-appreciate ko ang beauty ng girls, especially sa mga beauty pageant. However, I am 100% sure na sa gay lang ako attracted. I only had one relationship sa girls but that time attracted ako sa guy. Nung nag-explore ako sa sexuality ko, I found out na sa gay lang ako attracted. I only appreciate girls' beauty but when it comes to attraction, sa guys lang talaga ako nakakagusto.
Thanks for sharing your learnings. I did not know that it was possible to switch from being attracted to more than one sex to being attracted to the opposite sex only. Thank you for being patient and explaining your sexuality.
So, in this scenario, Lloyd is sure that he is homosexual and not confused and attracted to the opposite sex. So, why did his friend bring up bisexuality? So, some individuals might identify as bisexual before later identifying as homosexual, but this is not a universal experience. Sexual orientation is highly individual and can vary greatly from person to person. Some people may know they are homosexual from an early age without ever identifying as bisexual, while others might experience attraction to multiple genders before realizing a predominant attraction to the same gender. So, but first, how do we identify if a person is homosexual? So, homosexuality refers to a person who is sexually or romantically attracted to people of their same sex. An example would be Lloyd in the conversation between him and his friend. So, and also, homosexuality falls under number 6, exclusively homosexual with no heterosexual of Alfred Kinsey's 7-point continuum.
Hello, okay lang. Ikaw, kamusta? Ox lang. Away bati pero ganun talaga. Bigla ka na pa-chat. Ano meron? Wow, totoo ba? Pwede nitong Wednesday siguro. Bakit? Hindi ba alam nila tita? Pakiramdam ko matatanggap naman yan. Sobrang open rin nila tita sa'yo eh. Tsaka mas madali na rin para sa'yo. Wala kang tinatago. G, chat ka lang kapag suportahan ko kayo dyan. Sige. See you and good luck.
Hey girl! Ano lang, may gusto lang ako itanong. Ano kasi, di ba you is bisexual? Paano mo nalaman na bi ka? Oh, ganun ba yun? Si ate naman. Pero oo, ano kasi, may nakita ako isang lalaki ang gwapo. Palagi ko siyang nakikita at sabay kami bumibili ng Starbucks. Pero di ko siya nakausap. Namamadali naman si ante. Patapusin mo ako muna. So ni-approach ko siya last week. Nag-usap kami. Ang bait at gwapo niya talaga. Diyos ko lang. Nag-hangout pa kami. Ang niya talaga. Parang gusto ko na jowain. Kasi, yun pala, babae siya. Oo, gulat din me. Hindi naman sa ayaw, pero dami ko na pinag-iisipan dahil wala nag-iba sa feelings ko. Gusto ko pa rin siya, pero ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Oo, alam ko naman dati na may gusto din ako sa babae. Pero, sa tingin mo? Oo, sa totoo lang, parang wala akong pake sa gender niya. Mas attracted ako sa personality niya. Nasabi din niya na gender fluid siya, so pwede siyang lalaki or babae daw. Pansexual? Oh, I think gets. Actually, parang pan nga ako. Kasi may mga crush ako dati, mas nagustuhan ko sila after kausapin sila. Like, gwapo at maganda nga naman, pero parang di naman yun ang bakit nakakrush ako sa kanila. At di din pumalit yun pagka-crush ko sa kanila nung nalaman ko gender nila. All thanks to you, ate. Ate naman, di po nga kami dating eh.
You know, I've been thinking a lot about relationships lately.
What's been on your mind?
Well, I've realized I'm asexual. It's been a journey to understand it myself.
That's interesting. How did you come to that realization?
It took some time to figure it out why I didn't feel the same way others do about attraction. Never really felt the urge for physical intimacy.
That must have been confusing. How do you navigate relationships then?
It's definitely a challenge sometimes. I found that being open and honest about my feelings early on helps a lot. It's about finding someone who understands and respects my boundaries.
That makes sense. It must be refreshing to have that clarity about yourself.
It is, but it can also be tough when people don't understand. Some think sexuality means you don't want any kind of relationship, but that's not true.
I get that. It's about finding connections that are meaningful to you, right?
Exactly. It's less about physical attraction and more about emotional connection and companionship for me.
Thanks for sharing that. It's really helpful to understand more about sexuality from your perspective.
No problem. I'm always happy to talk about it. It is important to raise awareness and acceptance.
Absolutely. Everyone's journey is unique, and it's great to learn from each other's experience.
Definitely, it's all about respecting and supporting each other regardless of how we experience attraction.
Well said. I'm glad we're at this conversation. It's given me a lot to think about.
Me too. I'm here if you ever have more questions or just want to chat.
Thanks. I appreciate that. Take care.